How to change the Instagram notification sound in your iPhone. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can change your Instagram notification sound in your iPhone. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go in your iPhone settings, and from here you have to scroll down, and here is the option of the notification. You have to click on it. Now once you are in here, you just have to scroll down and find out the option of the Instagram. Now once you are in here, you have to make sure that you allow the notification to your Instagram. You just have to click on it, and from here you have to allow all of these options that are the banner style, sounds, badges, and there are many various options. You have to toggle on all of that. Now if you go on the sounds, as you can see that there is no option to change the sound of your Instagram notification. So the last option is, what you have to do is simply go back and you have to go in your sound and haptics of your iPhone, and from here you have to go on the ringtone, and from here you just have to select the ringtone as you want to add in your iPhone, and after that you just have to save the changes and you are able to change your Instagram notification sound in your iPhone, because the Instagram doesn't give you any option to change the sound, so you have to change it from your iPhone settings. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.